we all want to look good, be in great shape, and live a healthy life. So here's a look at 10 ways to get into perfect shape. These simple ways will help you lead a healthy life in a fit way and still manage to keep you in good shape. But before we begin, make sure you hit that subscribe button and get notified every day for more amazing content. With this being said, let's begin.
Jack Refix.
Number 10. Become a friend of push-ups and planks. With your hands under your shoulders, place your feet slightly apart as you support them with your toes. Stretch your body into a straight position and maintain the plank position. Your neck should remain in a neutral position and in line with your shoulders. As you go down, place your elbows close to your body. To increase the efficiency and make it easier for you, consider widening the distance between your feet. This will not only make it easier for you, but also enhance your stability. Now, push-ups are ideal exercises if you are looking to work on your abdominal muscles. Why? Well, it's because they help strengthen the upper body part by providing a workout for your shoulders, triceps, chest, and ab muscles. So for beginners, push-ups can be done by first spreading the arms on a raised object such as a firm table or a kitchen counter as opposed to the floor. As one progresses, they can then place the arms on a slightly lower surface and so on until you can comfortably do them with your hands on the ground. Planks are also an ideal way to attain a stellar body shape and can be combined with the push-ups. They are done with your feet on the ground, your upper body supported by your arms while the lower is supported by your toes. Then stretch your body firmly and straight so that you are able to maintain that position for a few minutes. You can count 1 to 10. This exercise helps tighten your thigh muscles while strengthening your arms as well as your core muscles. Number 9. Embrace squats into your daily routines. Squatting is another way of improving your general body fitness while giving you a good shape. This is an indoor exercise that is easy to perform and does not require any additional equipment. Squats can be performed almost anywhere as long as you have enough personal space. With squats, you get the much needed workout on your legs as well as other parts of your body. The impact can go as far and deep as your inner core depending on how often and how much you squat. Squats are ideal for women who are seeking a well-rounded butt, and they help give a great firmness and right positioning. When done correctly, squats will provide a workout to the following areas: your knees, hips, lumbar, feet, and heels. Squats are easy to perform and do not require much expertise. Experts recommend that everyone incorporate squats into their workout routines. To perform squats, spread your feet apart at shoulder length, extend both arms, let your knees be above your ankles, and then go down over to your ankles, then back up to the starting position. Do so for 10 to 20 sets, rest, and repeat the process. Forward and backward lunges are equally effective, and so are jumping lunges. Number 8. Eating less calories. Working out alone will not get you into great shape. You need to balance your workout habits with clean and healthy eating habits. To be able to lose weight and keep a great shape, you have to reduce your calorie intake. How will this help you stay in shape? Well, eating fewer calories will cause a shortage in the number of calories that are needed to maintain your current weight. Reducing the intake will cause your body to burn excess fat, which will get rid of the unwanted fat that is accumulated in your body. To be able to accomplish this, you need to stay away from flour foods. That is just what I like to call them. Anything that is made of flour, especially wheat, will give you lots of calories. So reduce intake of cakes, bread, and the like. You may substitute the morning loaf with something else, or take a very small portion and add some fruits and vegetables. It is also advisable to stay away from alcohol if you want to keep that good shape. Number 7. Cutting down on salt, sugar, and unhealthy fats in your diet. For as long as you do not check your intake of salt, sugar, and fat, your dream to be in good shape might just remain that, a dream. As already mentioned, the kind of meals you take has a lot to do with your shape. So try and stay away from sugary stuff like soft drinks that have a high sugar concentration. Also, avoid snacks and meals that have a high fat saturation. No good can come out of salt, sugar, and fat. I mean, cutting down on soda, chocolate, sweet yogurts, and such sweet unhealthy meals. If you love tea or coffee, go for the unsweetened one or just do milk. Substitute fats with plant and animal-based products such as omega-3 fats, which are mostly found in fish products, plants like olives, and nuts. Number 6. Eating a balanced diet. Now this is eating the right meals in balanced proportions. Your intake of proteins, vegetables, carbohydrates, and fruits should be in the right proportions. Try and make both whole grains and fruits and vegetables to at least 30% each of the food you eat. Dairy products should comprise about 15% as well as the proteins. While balancing these proportions, lower the unhealthy fats, the refined carbohydrates, as well as sugar to nothing much more than 4% of your diet. To be in great shape, you need to stay away from trans fats as well as some saturated fats. Also go for whole grains like wheat, brown rice, whole oats, and quinoa. Make these fruits your favorite: strawberries, pears, beans, kale, spinach, and blueberries. Ensure that all your meals are in reasonable portions. This will help you keep from taking on more calories than you actually need. Do not fill your plate too much. You may consider using a smaller plate just in case you're not sure about the portioning. While eating, ensure you eat slowly. This helps you feel full and eases the digestion process. Number 5. Drinking enough water. When it comes to maintaining a good body size and shape, water is as important as eating right and exercising. Why? Well, because water flushes out toxins from the body. Now you may realize that the more water you take in, the number of times you need to visit the bathroom. These regular visits help because as you ease yourself, you are also getting rid of unwanted fats and other unhealthy accumulations within the body. Drinking enough water also helps you feel full and thus you eat less, which results in less accumulation of the unwanted weight. Each meal should be accompanied by at least 16 ounces of water. Make an effort to also keep sipping from your water bottle throughout the day. Many people do not remember to drink enough water, so to make it easier for you by keeping your own in your environment or in your bag or even your office space. Whenever you feel hungry, just try sipping some water before you consider eating as the only solution. Number 4. Be on the move as much as possible. Now it will not help if you do some work and then spend long hours sitting or laying down, so try to be as active as possible. According to some recent studies, standing, pacing, and walking around can help you burn about 350 calories in a single day. The goal here is to remain as active as possible. For instance, did you know that even fidgeting can help you burn calories? You should also consider climbing the stairs as opposed to taking an elevator. That's unless you are unwell or unable to climb the stairs owing to a certain condition. While climbing the stairs, you are working at your leg muscles as well as your inner core. You are also exercising all of your heart muscles. Number 3. Set up a workout routine, lifestyle, and maintain it. So one of the reasons why many people find themselves in bad shape every now and then is because they may not have been able to establish a stable workout routine. What many people do is embark on a workout schedule, eating habits, and as soon as they start noticing some progressive changes, they relapse. Well, it doesn't have to be that way. So for you to be in admirable shape all the time, you need to treat your body with care all the time. Now, agreed, for many people this is not easy, but we all know it's a worthy mission. We all admire people who own bodies that are worth dying for, so be consistent with proper exercising and eating habits, and your body will pay you by being in great shape. Now, you can choose to work out for 30 minutes each morning and probably 20 minutes or so in the evenings. Make this routine your habit even after meeting your desired shape or goal. The same case applies to eating right. Do not forget the sacrifices you made to your ideal shape soon after getting it. Continue with a portion control and stay away from those salt, sugar, and trans fats. While setting up a workout schedule, remember to include resting days. Too much of anything is poisonous, as the old saying goes, so never try to work out on a daily basis. Even your body needs time to relax and build the muscle tissues. So slide like 2 or maybe even 3 resting days in each week. Number 2, take up aerobic exercises. Now, aerobic exercises can be defined as the perfect workouts. They are exercises that increase your heart rate the most. The result is an increased ability of the body to handle physical pressure while giving you a health benefit. Aside from helping you in your weight loss journey, aerobic exercises will mainly help you attain great shape. The following are advantages of aerobic exercises. They help burn down cholesterol. They help improve your stability. It boosts your heart health as they also provide a workout of the heart. They have been associated with a reduced appetite. Remember, many bad shapes are as a result of uncontrolled appetites. It enhances your posture such that you will not only be carrying a nice shape around, but will be doing so with great posture. Activities that are considered fun are a great way of doing aerobic exercises. So think of speed walking, biking, swimming, or even jogging. All these are considered as fun or sport activities by many, but the reality is that they are responsible for a firm tummy, hips, and nice legs. So engage in these more often. Number 1. Know what you really want. This is where it all lies. You cannot make any achievement without setting a goal. You have to know where you need to be in good shape. So for instance, if you want the impact on your tummy area, then you have to do something different from someone who wants to work out their hip area or their legs, back, and so on. To stay motivated to your target, you might consider looking for a workout partner. This is, of course, someone who has the same target goals as you. This way you will constantly motivate each other, compare progress, and remind each other of the workout schedules, eating right, and so on. With good company, it is easy to stay on track while feeling motivated all the way. Finally, you also need to remember that a healthy lifestyle is not only about having great shape, but also staying away from health complications. With good discipline, you can attain your desired shape as a bonus. All you need to do is make a decision, remain consistent, and before you know it, you will be walking in a heavenly shape.